Namaste or Assalamu alaikum dosto. One of the biggest problems here when traveling in India or Pakistan is that your shoes down here, they get so dirty and mucky every single day just from walking around the streets, especially when it's winter and it's raining. They just get dirty and they start stinking. So I clean them myself every night. I carry a cleaning cloth with me, but I left that at home. So I saw a bunch of shoeshiners outside my hotel. So let's go and let's see how the system works and how much it costs and what kind of job they do. So maybe you can do the same when you come to India or Pakistan. हाँ जी क्या आप ये साफ कर सकते हैं?
फर्स्ट क्लास कर दीजिए।
अच्छा, और मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा, ठीक है?
बनाओ।
शुक्रिया जी, शुक्रिया. Hang on a second. Before we meet these expensive guys, let's meet the guy who tried to charge me nothing and buy me a tea. It's another day now and I'm getting these shoes shined again because they're so dirty, and we're here at Anar Kali Bazaar in Lahore. And I just pulled the camera out just to show you this sweet guy. So I asked him up front what the price is, like I should have done with those other guys, and he told me 30 rupees. So yeah, just a genuine kind guy, and these type of people should be rewarded, right? I'm not going to give him 30, I'm going to give him way more than that. Yeah, I just really appreciate being treated like a local like that, and if you treat foreigners like that, they will reciprocate, because 30 rupees is not fair for this work, right? You know, he deserves a lot more money for this hard work that he's doing all day long here. आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम पेशावर से थोड़ा सा आगे।
अच्छा, पेशावर से?
बाजावर का नाम सुना होगा?
नहीं, I haven't heard, no. मैं पेशावर गया। हाँ, दो बार. And he was just asking us if we'll drink tea now that my shoes are shined and looking good. So, बहुत शुक्रिया जी, thank you so much. And he didn't want to take the money either. He's like, no. Only give me 30, but no man, like, I really appreciate the work that these guys do on the street. These guys deserve the money. They're just damn hard workers, okay? पितावा मतलब ये साफ है. ओ नया वाला नहीं चाहिए. बस पॉलिश क्योंकि वे गंदे हैं. जी आपका नाम क्या है?
फरहान.
और आप कहाँ से हैं?
Bajaur Agency ka.
So both these shoeshiners are from the exact same Bajaur Agency region of Pakistan. It's a beautiful mountainous region that borders Afghanistan, but unfortunately it's got a history of militancy, and the Taliban is still trying to use its mountains as an entry point to Pakistan. I will go to these tribal regions one day, but the only way to really go is with a local friend who speaks the local languages.
मतलब दाल चमाले राके ची पकवान क्यों बासी?
मेरी उर्दू अच्छी नहीं है भाई, मैं नहीं समझता हूँ.
नहीं समझते?
नहीं. मैं न्यूजीलैंड से हूँ यार.
अच्छा, आप आया कहाँ से?
मैं हिंदुस्तान से आया यहाँ.
क्यों हिंदुस्तान?
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
इंडिया से?
हाँ.
पाकिस्तान कैसे लग रहा है?
पाकिस्तान अच्छा देश है, बहुत अच्छा देश है. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Sir, what do you work?
What do I want? क्या? What
do you work?
Oh, work. मैं YouTube videos बनाता हूँ.
Materials.
YouTube videos बनाता हूँ.
आपको
YouTube मालूम है?
You are Muslim.
No, not Muslim.
No Muslim.
No, not Muslim, G. And we've got kind of a group here now. Everybody's here. And we're just getting the shoes shined, and yeah, he's doing a good job. You can see he's fully
Sir,
cleaning
you
it.
are mad.
I am made? What?
You mad.
I'm mad. Matlab pagal. Kya mad? Oh, married.
Mad.
Married. Shadi. हाँ शादी शुदा है.
तब तो गिन नहीं बोलता पेड़ बन रहा है कि कसम दे गए मैं.
बच्चे कितने हैं?
शून्य. मेरी पत्नी हिंदुस्तानी है. वो दिल्ली से है.
अच्छा इधर आया हुआ है?
वो नहीं है.
नहीं आया, तो अकेला आया?
وش بينزل وبين يقول له
بينزل تاج بس ماني هو مين يشتغل عليه
और हम गए जीत अने रिक्शा को बिल्टी के बैठ आपने बैठ ना
चला على وقت كده دور नहीं चलना.
لا يطور برشلونه بيزن
आखिर जाने सब तुम्हारा ताले
And now, so it's gone for the clean now. He's gonna wash it off and
सनी सफा का वो.
dry it out.
Clean this one shoes.
हाँ जी.
اي بات قرب بتاعت فوق
ها كان تاش قسم دوستو خمي ويدا غوس
नूम दे चला नूम तो पोस्ट हो. What's your name?
मेरा नाम Karl Rock है. Karl Rock.
Karl Rock YouTube channel भी Karl Rock.
हाँ जी, दोनों सेम हैं. आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? अच्छा. Good, very good.
I am a student and 8th class.
अच्छा, good.
क्यों हंस रहे?
Now have a look at this. Here's how they've come out. Beautiful. He's really cleaned them well. So, बहुत अच्छा है जी.
ये कितने का?
हाँ, कितने के है जी?
ये 1500.
1500.
प्राइस.
अरे पागल है यार आप. नहीं, ये कितने के है साफ करने के लिए?
This one 350.
350.
सर
350 rupees.
नहीं
कितने के है?
300.
ठीक है, चलो.
350.
I'm just grabbing some change here in the hotel, and it's not really 300 rupees, but I'll give it to them because they were nice to me. They let me film and kind of dudes working out on the streets or whatever. I don't mind paying that. But the usual rate, yeah, it should be around 30 rupees to get your shoes shined out there. And you should always bargain up front before you get any service done, okay? Always bargain up front and agree on the price here in Pakistan and in India as well. Shukriya ji, thank you so much. ठीक है जी. अलविदा, फिर मिलेंगे. क्या?
ये सनु दे दे.
मतलब मैंने
तो दामाद रहा के चलता हुआ.
चलोर लगा रुपए दी.
चलोर लगा रुपए होता है यार के चप्पल रे मार. तो वो तो बोल तो वो. राके तो वो सर.
हाँ जी.
You camera send gift you.
नहीं. ये मेरा कैमरा है यार.
यार तू भाई gift you is.
हैं?
Gift you.
Gift? No gifting. Bye. Alvida, फिर मिलेंगे. So that's how it works. The shoes are really clean now. I'll have to get that done daily, or I'll have to go buy a rag and do it myself, basically. But that's it. You just go out, you give them your shoes, bargain if you want the best price. You should be able to get closer to 100 rupees as a foreigner. And then they just clean it and hand it back to you, and they do a pretty good job, a really good job, actually. And I think it's nice. It's good to go out there and support these guys working hard out on the streets.